Hi everybody, welcome to another video here. I'm just going to do a short little video here. I'm going to show you how I'm doing a photo shoot here. I'm going to turn the music off. I don't want that get me in trouble there having the music on. But I do listen to music. It's important you do listen to music when you're doing this type of framing. But I turned off for that purpose. But this is my setup here. I'm going to show you what I kind of do here. See, I have it laid out on the table here. Swing around here, Laura. I just have paintings ready to go here that I've been photographing, getting ready to post on eBay and on my website. Okay, so back over here, I'm shooting with an old school camera. I like the old Sony megapixel camera. It's a 6.0 megapixel. It's a great camera for this. I have studio light here. So I'll point it at the studio light, Laura, so you can see the studio light. Okay, there you go. I don't want to blind you, but that's a studio light I have set up, guys. And then I have it bounced up at the ceiling so it reflects downward so it doesn't give me a shine on the canvas. That's important that you don't get shine on your work. You want to avoid that as much as possible. Okay, so what I'll do here is I'll set it down just flat on a surface, and what I do is I make a pretend wall, and I just use a natural neutral gray here so it shows all the real true colors of your painting. And I'll turn it on a P mode, and I'll switch it over to OK, and I'll just get it zoomed in right here, like boom, there we go. And I'll have it set up, and then I'll do a picture of the signature. And I'll do a picture of the side because I do edge finishing, and I show that, and then I flip it around and I do the back side, and then I do a frame sample, and I just show it in a frame sample, and then of course last I pop it on the wall. Then I have predetermined screws already in the wall hangers. And boom. And there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Come and check me out at foltzfineart.com and Burke3464.